Hey everybody, how's everyone doing? Still stuck in Flagstaff area. So here's an update to my story. I contacted O'Reilly's for a transmission and I just heard back them on the phone and it's gonna take 15 days. Here's a problem about that. Because I'll be stuck in a parking lot for 15 more days. I've already been out here for a week. I don't think I can do that. I either have to find a plane ticket to get me out to LA and have this van worked out here in Flagstaff area, or I have to ship the van back to New Orleans and then have the van worked out there. I might go over on U-Ship right now to see what shipping I can get from here to New Orleans. I did talk to my best friend Ricky, and he did somewhat agree with me about shipping my van back to New Orleans. If I do ship my van anywhere else, I need crash space when the van's being worked on, and I also need funds for it to be worked on. Right now, I have limited funds, but if I go back to New Orleans, I know where it could sit on the street and wait to be worked on while I look for some sort of income. If I ship it anywhere else, I have to sit there and find income somewhere and then live off that income. I'm not going to be able to ship it anywhere else unless I have guaranteed crash space, shower, and charge my things and a place to work, and transport to work. If I was staying anywhere in Hollywood, sure, I could just go down to Hollywood Boulevard and try to work there, or Venice Beach. But apparently, I don't know any friends who are in that direct area right now. So I don't want to ship the van there. So I'm trying to ship it back to New Orleans right now. Yeah, you can hear those clicks again. You're getting more hail here in Arizona. I'm telling you, I can't wait to ship this vehicle out unless someone can fix my transmission. These are the prices that people have tried to bid on me to ship. That is crazy a lot expensive right now. My phone said flash flood watch, and you could see that friggin' hail and everything broke through my friggin' fan. So now I'm trying to dry up and using this DAP stuff, to try to seal it back up. So O'Reilly's did call me again, and they said 15 days. Obviously, I can't wait that long. It's gonna be too boring in this parking lot, and after that rain, again, it's been thunderstorming every day, like random storm. This is my third hailstorm to go through. I need to get out of here. So hopefully either LA or New Orleans. Those are the only two places that either A, I can make money, or B, get crash space. I'm just sitting here relaxing, watching Walking Dead. I got the fan running up there because I'm trying to get a breeze come through to dry the rest of the bed. I tested that for leaks so many times, and it's been through rain showers, so it had to be the hail loosening up that silicone around it. So I guess it's just trials and tribulations when you live in a van. Up here in that little hole, it was leaking the other day because the solar little nub came off from the hail. Hail is like damaging to silicone, in my experience at least. So this is pretty neat. I met these two people. They have this van right here. This box truck. 1,000 watts of solar, they said. It's pretty cool. Reminds me of Adventure Van Man. It's pretty cool. And that crow up there is trying to say hello to us. My van is parked right there. Decided to park in front of the Old Days Inn. That tree didn't protect myself really well because my van flooded. And over here, it's a nice little cab that someone put on their van. Pretty neat. And then, of course, a bus next to them. So it looks like they have like 800 watts of solar. Kind of interesting here at the little truck stop. Nice little table on the outside, and ooh, look at that Triumph motorcycle on the back. Looks like they got a lot of stuff in there. Thank God I had these USB battery-powered fans, because now it's drying my mattress here, and I laid out my blankets all over the place so that I could actually dry everything out. I'm telling you, van life is always an adventure. Also got kind of sick of drinking out of 24-ouncer cans, so now I'm drinking out of this Yeti. Haha. Like drinking out of a can, but it's a Yeti. Another thing I saw in New Orleans, which might be scary to go back to right now, is this. Businesses that violate the mandate for vaccines will be shut down. Maybe there's a lot of COVID in New Orleans right now. I saw this other story. Thousands of students in the schools have COVID now. This is a scary world we're dealing with right now. As you can see around the parking lot, it got kind of dead out here. My van's still parked by the abandoned hotel. Inside, you can see my blankets and covers and stuff like that drying off on the seats. So right now, I'm just watching a little repeats of Walking Dead. Now I'm drinking some beer. I'm gonna make my dinner soon and go to sleep early. Hopefully I get more bids on my shipping. But tomorrow I'll talk to my friends and see if I could go there. So I hope everyone had a good time. If you're a new user on my channel, please subscribe. And also, you could give me a thumb up or you could comment. I would like to say hello to my new subscribers: Leanne Stiles, Philippine Travel, Tone Loke, Tammy Sturback, and Aaron Hagen. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, probably.